Okay, well, we're going to start working on the electronics. We got the two batteries in. I've got a second battery box for this one. We're getting ready to mount this on the wall. And if I listened correctly, we're going to use 10 gauge wire going from these 30 amp services, one in, one out, and those will go over to the converter inverter. And then the batteries will hook to each other, then one of them will hook to the side terminals over here. And I believe there's somewhere here to hook up our 12 volt wires, which are here and down there, where our 12 volt lights, but one step at a time. My son-in-law has already made up the battery cables for me, so those are all set. And I have to finish putting in the wire from this one that'll go into the inverter right there. So one step at a time, right? That's on the wall. One thing done. Got the fuse box all wired. These wires will go around the wall and over into the converter inverter. Not the neatest at wiring, but it's coming in from the outside and going up over to the box. We have the plug that's behind the curtain, this plug here, coming over, and again to the box. And everything else that's got cables also coming over. We have your 12 volt wire for the lights. Wired the plug for plugging in at campgrounds. Going to the fuse box, which is 30 amp.